My name is Carl Richards. I'm a senior, and today I will be reading The Slave Mother by Frances Ellen Watkins Harper. Heard you that shriek? It rose so wildly in the air. It seemed as if a burdened heart was breaking in despair. Saw you those hands so sadly clasped, the bowed and feeble hand, the shuddering of that fragile form, that look of grief and dread? Saw you the sad imploring eye? Its every glance was pain, as if a storm of agony were sweeping through the brain. She is a mother, pale with fear. Her boy clings to her side, and in her cradle vainly tries his trembling form to hide. He is not hers, although she bore for him a mother's pains. He is not hers, although her blood is coursing through his veins. He is not hers, for her cruel hands may rudely tear apart that only wreath of household love that binds her breaking heart. That love has been a joyous light, that o'er pathway smile, a fountain gushing ever new amid life's desert wild. His lightest word has been a tone of music round her heart. Their lives a streamlet bent in one. O Father, must they part? They tear him from her circling arms, her last and fond embrace. Oh, nevermore may her eyes gaze upon his mournful face. No marvel, then, these bitter shrieks disturb the listening air. She is a mother, her heart breaking in despair.